I belong to Punjab and I got married in Chandigarh. So regarding my education, I have done my master's in finance. I have done the law degree as well. So I was good with numbers since my childhood, so I decided to opt for the accounting field. I start my day by sending my daughter to school and then swimming and then work. I have learned discipline here, I have learned family culture here, and I have learned empathy here. The best part about my work is that I have to deal in numbers. Numbers don't lie. Because this is an organization which will give you enormous opportunities to grow. The advice I'll give to my younger self that don't take things too seriously. Nothing gonna last forever. Loneliness scares me sometimes. Not always, but sometimes. I think the morning hours. My biggest inspiration is my mom. My favorite number is 1 because number 1 is always the best. I can live anywhere. I don't have those boundaries or restrictions with me. Nothing. Cooking. My daughter. All the bright colors, reds, pinks. It's a feeling. I think it's a feeling. If you are happy, if you are contented, you are successful.